Welcome to Backroads Productions. This is part 2 of Zaurst Duel. Due to the clamouring from the, say, 200 or so people who asked for a repeat, here we are again. And on the left you have an E93 BMW, which is relatively close to stock except that it has a sports exhaust. Now I'd like to say that I researched it and ended up with titanium Akrapovic or something, but in fact I said to Valdas from Motor Confidence, who services it, that the stock exhaust was a bit flat and he had one lying around which he sold me for €300, so I don't know what it is. On the right you have the stock 458 Italia, the latest Maranello trombone in my hands anyway, and it's completely stock. The exhaust is exactly as it came out of the factory, which is just as well, because I don't think there's anything in the 458 Italia that costs less than €300, except maybe the windscreen wipers, and they're probably $299. Anyway, here we go. Gotterdammerung versus the Maranello trombone. That's it. Let's see what it sounds like.